Now in the application for these chair legs, I'm going to be using the Minwax wood finish in ebony. Now I know it might not go as dark as I would like, but I'll see how it turns out. I've got a polythene bag over my hand and a cloth so that I can dip my finger into this, and I've just practiced on a couple to make sure I'm doing it right. On the top I'm not that bothered, I'm just going to put it in like this and it will absorb it. You can see it's going in quite quickly there. See it sucking into the wood. So I'm just going to go down by the grain, and I need to cover all of this. I'm going to do the first layer now, and just before I go to bed I'm going to put another layer on. You go with the grain of the wood so you get a nice even finish, and in places I'm going to have to do maybe a third layer, but I'll have a look at it in the morning when I get up. Because of the way the wood is cut and shaped means that some areas will absorb better than others. It says to put as much on as you can. I tend to put light layers on and let it build up. The reason I've gone over the top like I did is so that if any of the top shows when I attach the legs to the chair, there's no light or dark wood. And I might not go for a really dark black, I might just go for like a charcoal grey. See, I've only got a little bit on my hand there. I'm going to do the ends as well. I'll build the layers up, and tomorrow I should have these as dark as I want them to be. Let those dry. They look quite good with that gold fabric. There you go. And I'll put little soft ends on these so that they don't ruin the person's flooring. Now these legs, I actually put 4 layers of stain on them. It's an oil-based stain, and although it's not an even colour, I actually quite like the way they've turned out, and I have just spent time rubbing as much excess off as I can, and I think if I do one more, that might be clean enough for me to use. I don't want dirty hands when I put it on, so I don't make a mess of somebody's chair. So I don't usually bother with this. It's not often that I get a chair that needs new legs on it. I have a friend that is really into this kind of thing, and I need to get him to show me how to do this properly. But as I say, I'm quite happy with this. It's given me the look I want.